But my whole life down in a notebook, songs about you and me. I've been singing to every song in Tennessee. Nobody seems to listen, no one ever smiles the way that you do. So I guess you'll never hear me on the radio. I'd give us this crazy dream of mine to hold you once more. Won't you meet me in Montana? I wanna see the mountains in your eyes. Whoa, I had all of this life I can handle. Meet me underneath that big Montana sky.
I left home for Hollywood, looking for a part to play. Though you always said I had such a pretty face, but I guess I'm not that pretty, 'cause no one looks at me the way that you do.
Well, you'll always be a movie star to me. Darling, now I guess
It's time that I let go of that dream.
won't you meet me in Montana? I wanna see the mountains